Hello, class 10th student of ICSE board. Today we are going to do Act 2, Scene 5. The scene is outside Shylock's house. Enter Shylock and Launcelot. Shylock, well, thou shalt see, thy eye shall be thy judge. The difference of old Shylock and Bassanio. What, Jessica? Thou shalt not gourmandize. Gourmandize means you will not be able to eat too much, as thou hast done with me. What, Jessica? And sleep and snore and rend April out. Rend April out means tear out clothes. Why, Jessica? I say. So here Shylock is talking to his servant, and he is saying that he will not be allowed to eat so much as he was doing here, and he will not be allowed to sleep in a peaceful manner and snore, and neither will he get good clothes to wear. And he is again calling his daughter again and again. यहाँ पे शार्लॉक अपने नौकर लॉन्सलॉट से कह रहा है कि अब तुम्हें पता चलेगा हम मेरे में और बेसानियो में क्या अंतर है। तुम उतना वहाँ नहीं खा पाओगे, तुम जितना यहाँ पे ओवर ईट करते थे, ना ही तुम उतना सो पाओगे, ना खर्राटे ले पाओगे, और ना ही तुम्हें पुराने कपड़े पहनने को मिलेंगे, इतने अच्छे कपड़े तुम नहीं पहन पाओगे। इस बीच में वो अपनी बेटी जेसिका को बार बार बुला रहा है। उसी बीच में जेसिका आ जाती है। लॉन्सलॉट जेसिका को देख के कहता है, हेलो जेसिका। Shylock, who bids thy call? I don't bid thee call. Who has asked you to call her? I don't ask you to call. So Shylock is telling this to Launcelot that he never asked him to call Jessica, and why is he doing so? Launcelot, your worship was wont to tell me that I could do nothing without winding. Your honor, you used to complain that I should never do anything unless I am told. Enter Jessica. Jessica, call you, what is your will? Did you call me father? What do you want? उसने अपने पिता से पूछा कि आपने मुझे बुलाया और आप क्या चाहते हैं? Shylock, I am bid forth. Bid forth means I have been invited to supper, Jessica. So Shylock, as Shylock was invited by Bassanio to have a dinner, so he is telling this to his daughter. There are many keys, but wherefore should I go? So take my keys, and but why should I go? I have not bid for love. They have not invited me that because they love me. They flatter me. They have called me because they are going to flatter me. But yet I will go in hate. But because I hate them, I will go to feed upon the prodigal Christian, and I will definitely go there and eat the food there. Prodigal means spendthrift, who spends a lot. Christian is that Bassanio. Jessica, my girl, look to my house. So he is asking his daughter to take care of his house. I am right loth to go. Loth means I am not willing to go. There is some ill brewing towards my rest, because I think I am sure they are going to plan something ill against me. For I did dream of money bags tonight. So last night I had a dream of money bags. तो शार्लॉक अपनी बेटी से बात कर रहा है, कहता मुझे उन्होंने डिनर पे बुलाया है और ये चाबी ले लो, और मैं जाऊं क्यों? मैं जाना नहीं चाहता, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है उन्होंने मुझे प्यार से नहीं बुलाया, उन्होंने बुलाया क्योंकि वो मुझसे नफ़रत करते, वो आज वो मेरी चापलूसी करना चाहते हैं। लेकिन मैं जाऊंगा क्योंकि मैं उनसे नफ़रत करता हूँ। मैं जाऊंगा उस क्रिश्चियन, उस ईसाई का जो बहुत पैसा खर्च करता है। तो कौन बहुत पैसा खर्च करता है? बेसानियो। मैं उसका खाना खाऊंगा, और मैं जाना नहीं चाहता क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है उन्होंने कुछ ख़राब ही मेरे लिए प्लान करके रखा होगा। और क्योंकि मैंने पिछली रात सपना देखा था, उसमें देखा था मैंने पैसे के बड़े बड़े बैग। लॉन्सलॉट, आई beseech you sir, beseech means I request you sir to come. My young master doth expect your reproach. Reproach means arrival. So my young master, his young master Bassanio, and he's talking about Bassanio, is waiting for you. तो लॉन्सलॉट कहता है मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, निवेदन करूंगा कि आप जल्दी मेरे साथ चलिए, क्योंकि मेरे जो मास्टर है, नए मास्टर बसानियो, वो आपका वेट कर रहे होंगे। Shylock, so do I. So Shylock is talking to his daughter, so that do what I have said. Launcelot, as they have conspired together, I will not stay. You shall see a mask, but if you do, then it was not for nothing that my nose fell a bleeding on Black Monday last at 6 o'clock in the morning. Falling out that year on Ash Wednesday was 4 years in the afternoon. So here Lancelot is telling this to Sherlock that they have planned something together. They have planned something together. They are going to have some fun. And although I won't go far, I am not going to tell you everything. You go there and you see the mask. What is mask? Mask is a dramatic representation in which characters appear wearing mask. It's a sort of a while doing dancing. It's a mask ball dance, you can say. And but if you do see some sports there, then that was what I mean. So if you see some sports there, if you see that people are performing some sports there, so this is what I mean. When my nose bled last Easter Monday. When you say Black Monday, it's Easter Monday. A bleeding means bled, and Ash Wednesday is before Easter, which happened to on Ash Monday 4 years ago. तो यहाँ पे लॉन्सलॉट अपने मालिक, जो पुराने मालिक शार्लक को बता रहा है कि आप वहाँ जाएं, उन्होंने कुछ आपके लिए प्लान कर रखा है और शायद एक डांस होगा जो मास्क लगा के होगा, वही होगा। उसके बाद आपको पता चलेगा, अगर वहाँ पे को आप देखते हैं कुछ खेल है तो वो आप समझ लीजिए मैंने आपको बताए हैं। शार्लक, व्हाट आर देयर मास्क? व्हाट डू मीन बाय मास्क? ये मास्क क्या है? हियर यू मी जेसिका, लॉक अप माई डोर्स एंड व्हेन यू हियर द ड्रम एंड द विल squealing. Will means a morally low, means below standard. Squealing means shrill cry of the re-necked fiff. Re-necked means like twisted neck, and fiff is flute, bansuri. Clamber not you up the casement then, and remember at that time you need not climb up the window to see what's going outside, nor thrust your head into the public, nor you put your head out to see what's going on on the public street. To gaze on Christian fools, and need not gaze, look at the Christian fools with varnished face. Varnished face means painted face. Generally it happens people paint their face during Christmas. But stop my house ears, but close. House ears means close all the openings of my house. I mean my casement. Casement means close all the windows. Let not the sound of shallow topiary enter. Let not the sound of the shallow means very low, vulgar sound. Topiary enters. Topiary enters means like what the foolish people are, the manner the foolish people are merry making. Let not those sound enter my house. My sober house. My house means quiet and very orderly house. Don't enter those vulgar sound. Enter my house. But Jacob's staff, I swear means Jacob's staff is a pilgrim staff, means a sort of stick. So he is taking an oath. I swear I have no mind of feasting forth. That I am telling you, I don't wish to dine out tonight. Forth means tonight. Move out means move out. Forth means to move out tonight. But I will go. But as I have said that I will go. Go you before me, Sirrah. Sirrah means servant. Sirrah means he's talking to Lancelot. You go before me and tell them that I am coming. तो यहाँ पे शार्लक कह रहा है कि ये मास्क क्या होते हैं मुझे नहीं मालूम है। और जेसिका अपनी बेटी से कहता है सारे दरवाजे बंद कर लो, जब तुम्हें ड्रम की आवाज़ आए और जब तुम्हें बांसुरी बजने की आवाज़ आए, जो कि बहुत ही निचले स्तर का होता है, बहुत ही छोटे लोग करते हैं, वो क्रिश्चियंस के लिए ऐसा कह रहा है। और तुम खिड़की पे चढ़ के बाहर मत देखने की कोशिश करना। केसमेंट मतलब होता है खिड़की पे, क्लाइंबर मतलब होता है क्लाइंब करके, और अपना सर बाहर निकाल के पब्लिक स्ट्रीट पे मत देखना उन क्रिश्चियंस की तरफ जो क्रिश्चियन फूल्स हैं और जिनके चेहरे पुते हुए हैं, पेंट हुए होंगे। और मेरे घर के सारे हाउस ईयर्स मतलब जितनी ओपनिंग है वो सारी बंद कर देना। आई मीन बाय केसमेंट मतलब जितनी विंडोज है बंद कर देना। और जो शैलो मीन जो वल्गर, ये गंदे जो साउंड है, टॉपरी होता है एक तरीके से, शैलो टॉपरी, फुलिश मैरी मेकिंग, जो ये लोग बेवकूफ़ लोग खुशियाँ मना रहे हैं, ये साउंड मेरे घर के अच्छे से घर में, मेरा जो ऑर्डरली व्यवस्थित घर है उसमें नहीं आना चाहिए। और बाय जैकब स्टाफ, जैकब का जो एक छड़ी है उसकी कसम मैं खा के कहता हूँ कि मेरा कोई मन नहीं है आज बाहर जाने का। लेकिन अपने नौकर से कहता है, सिरा उसको कहता है, सिरा सर्वेंट को कहते हैं, और तुम जाओ उनको बताओ मैं आ रहा हूँ। लॉन्सलॉट, आई विल गो बिफोर सर। और वो जाने से पहले धीरे से अपनी मिस्ट्रेस यानी कि जेसिका से धीरे से कहता है, मिस्ट्रेस लुक आउट एट विंडो। वो बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट बात कहता है। इट सजेस्ट his mistress to look out of the window for all this, because a handsome Christian is going to come and people, all Jews are going to look at him. So अपनी वो मिस्ट्रेस से कहता है बाहर जरूर देखना, एक क्रिश्चियन जो यहाँ से निकलेंगे उनको देखना और जिनको हर जू देखेगा. Shylock, what says that fool of Hagar's offspring? Hagar's offspring means of uncertain origin. वो जाने कहाँ से पैदा हो गया, वो क्या कह रहा है, वो अपनी बेटी से पूछता है. Jessica, his words were farewell mistress, nothing. Jessica कहती है उसके जो words हैं वो केवल कह रहे हैं कि गुड बाय कह रहे हैं. Shylock, the patch is kind enough, that fool is kind enough. वो मैं जानता हूँ वो अच्छा आदमी है, but a huge feeder, but बहुत खाता है वो, he eats a lot. Snail slow in profit, he is not useful at all, he is very slow, बहुत आलसी है, and he sleeps by day more than the wild cat drones. और वो दिन भर इतना सोता है कि जंगली बिल्ली भी नहीं सोती है. Have not with me, और मैं वो नहीं चाहता, I don't want him to stay with me. Therefore I part with him. Therefore I have decided to part with him. In fact, it was Lancelot who decided to part with Shylock and part with him to one that would have helped to waste his borrowed purse. And he is definitely going to a person who is going to waste all his money which he has borrowed from me. So he is talking about Bassanio. वो कह रहा है कि वो जाएगा और उसका पैसा भी बर्बाद कर देगा जिसने मुझसे पैसा उधार लिया हुआ. Well, Jessica, go in. Perhaps I'll return immediately. And please, Jessica, get in. And I will come back very soon. मैं जल्दी वापस आ जाऊँगा. Do as I bid you. Do as I have said you. Shut doors after you. Shut doors. Close door after you. When you move in, get inside. Close all your door. Fast bind, fast find. It's a sort of a proverb that if you bind fast, you will find everything safe. If you close everything early, you will find everything safe. A proverb never stale in thrifty mind. It is a proverb that is never outdated for a careful man. एक पुराना ही मुहावरा है कि आप जल्दी से सारा घर बंद कर लीजिए तो आप सेफ्टी से रह जाएंगे. Jessica, farewell. If my fortune be not crossed, Jessica is saying not crossed means not crossed. If unless anything wrong goes happen, I have a father, you have a daughter lost. I have lost my father and you have lost your daughter. वो कहती है अगर कुछ गलत नहीं होता है तो आज आपने अपनी बेटी खो दी, मैंने अपना पिता खो दिया. इस तरह से वो चली जाती है. That's end of scene 5 act 2. We'll do scene 6 in our next video. Till then, thank you, goodbye. And the last thing, you need to subscribe the channel, share it with your friends and press the bell icon. Thank you.